I have completed my breakfast.
Now
Now get ready for school.
where is your
Where is your sock? Here is. Put in your
put
sock.
on your
Put
shorts?
on your socks. Where is your shoes? My shoes are in shoe rack. Put on your shoes and take your bag. Yes, Mama. Hurry up, your school bus has arrived. Bye bye. I have completed my breakfast. Now get ready for school. Where is your socks? Here is. Put on your socks. Where is your shoes? My shoes are in shoe rack.
Put on your shoe
Put on your shoes. Now get it.
and take your bag.
And check your bag.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Your school,
Your school is
your
around.
school bus has
Is around. Bye bye, Daddy. Bye bye, Doctor.